Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
October 4th, we are having our national convention. Madam Nirmala Sitharaman ji, the Honorable Finance Minister, has agreed for the national convention. We had also requested Honorable Prime Minister of India. I am sure that his blessings will also be there. It is very close. It is very close to our chest. Similarly, we have the corporate award function on December 18, which is going to be held in Mumbai, and Honorable Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji is going to be one of the guests, or let me say chief guest, for the program which is going to happen on December 18. Today, in fact, I feel very honored that Shri Auduth ji is also present over here as the chief guest, where a lot of CSR initiatives have been taken by his group of companies.
One of the first places in Asia where laws, Western laws, came and the judiciary came is Goa. If you visit the High Court building, not new one, not old one, but an ancient one, 250 years ago, a High Court was built in Goa, being the first High Court or first judicial building of Asia. It is still working in some dilapidated government sales tax office. But just have a look at it. Goa is also benefited by its globalization. Going back another 400 years, which was considered the star of the media in those days, the press. And that machine is still in the museum here, more than 300 years ago. So we were accidentally benefited from this globalization process.